Evening tranquility to you, my dear shining stars.
Evening,
ma'am.
Okay, so welcome to spoken English class of our EduThema Smart classes. And today's topic, what we are going to study, is all upon tongue twisters and quite rapping. So, as you remember that recently we have always also celebrated Ambedkar Jayanti, and there I have taught you about Constitution, and then I have also mentioned and one of the rap. If you have heard the time, it was all about Republic Day, Independence Day, and our Constitution. And this time again, we are one of the rap. It is all belongs to tongue twister. Because when you try to speak, so we lost the fluency, right? So whenever when we are trying to speak any language, that our tongue should be fluent enough, and for that there are few of the things which I've taught you, like a pencil practice, like right. For example, if the tongue twister is upper roller, low roller, so it sounds like upper roller, low roller, upper roller, low roller, upper roller, low roller, and then upper roller, low roller, upper roller, low roller, upper roller, low roller, upper roller, low roller, upper roller, low roller. So can you give it a try, guys? Upper roller, low roller. Yeah.
Upper roller,
upper roller,
lower roller, upper roller,
Many times
lower
the tongue has
roller,
lost.
upper roller, lower roller, upper roller,
So
lower
when
roller.
you must be trying it. So you can find it. Our tongue is speaking lower, lower, right? Instead of speaking lower, roller, right? R should be silent. Upper roller, lower roller. So today I'm going to teach you one of the rap with the tongue twister. It is A to Z. Okay, A to Z alphabet, where all the tongue twisters are going to be there, and you have to. I believe once you will learn this rap, your all the pronunciation, especially in every letter, every vocab, it will be clear enough, right? So let's see how it goes. Everybody should mute yourself. Dear Simran, kindly mute yourself. Kushri, turn on your videos. Okay, so here it is. So let me share it to you. So on your screen, it will be while muting. Also, you can, if you want, you can try it out with me.
Now it's time for our wrap up. Let's give it everything we've got. Ready? Begin.
Artificial amateurs aren't amazing, analytically assault animating. Liars bounded by the bomb. Building a broken, basically a bombard. Casually create catastrophes, casualties, casting cat, their canopies collapse. Detonated, damaging, daily doing dope. Demonstrations done, data on the down. Hitting other addressing each every energetic, upgrading episode, elevated etiquette. Furious, fabulous, fantastic. Rise of funk, palpating the fanatic. It's good, cover, good, son, glorious, daddy, godly. It is game with a gloria. In a mahala, art, historical, a holocaust stitcher, follow to hunger. Image to idolize, high to mean it in instant armor. Is an active. To someone just like Johnny Cole, Chucky Joy, Justin, Harima John. Hanyam, Kenling, all kind of cake on, Paratic Star, Brits, Kingdom, the believable long life, lyrically lesson, loveless, loose to my lips. Mama and make marvelous new masters, marvelous moves, many more, some masters, niggas, I'm knowing I'm naturally, next level, like my noise naturally. Operation, opposition, off, not optional, outside, auto, by being optical, perfect, powerful, punchline, firmly, kind power, pops in a front. White got spotted, to quantum, what we got. Really rocks, rising up rapidly, riding the rushing radioactivity. Super scientific, something super fast, so take the chances, take two top, take that chances, get two top. Universal, unique untouched, unretracted, the raw uncut. Baba, Lord, victorious, violate, walk on you, while our was just beating up in the very she's just my actual exile level with the self control. Yellow back, yakman, young one, yours, yes, young one, six example, zero to zero to the oldest time, pilots. So that's a complete wrap, my dear shining
Can you say
stars.
it faster?
I hope you all have enjoyed it. Superb.
Yes,
So you can
Yes.
see
Amazing.
superb,
Super.
amazing,
Magnificent.
amazing. It is super
thank you so much.
magnificent, excellencies.
Fantastic. Fantastic performance.
Mind-blowing.
Suggesting explanation.
Thank you.
Wow,
Absolutely. Thank you so much. Gratitude, gratitude.
It
So,
was
Maddie Shining
peacefully
Stars, you
and
could
It's so
see.
califragilistic.
Yeah,
It
it
was
was
very
peacefully. Ma'am, it was peacefully also.
Superb. I don't know that it was peaceful or it was more than awakened, right? It was completely enthusiastic. Isn't it? So, Maria
Yes,
Shining
ma'am.
Stars. So, yeah, that is completely A to Z tongue twister rap. It was a quite challenging when it comes to US. So, though it was a random performance by me, but if you could see on YouTube, I have done like 1 into 5, faster over there. So, fastest in the world, I think, till now. So it was kind of a record, so you can check it out. So and then you can also practice. Okay, so what you could do is today A, then tomorrow B, then C. But no problem, you can start with a simple one. For example, tongue just like flash message, flash message, flash message, flash message. Salt shaker, salt shaker, salt shaker, salt shaker. Okay, so let's give it a try one by one. Here we go. Let me ask you one by one. Just a moment.